Hi, good evening everybody. Today we discuss about the Binance P2P and India. How the cryptocurrency, buy cryptocurrency P2P with zero fees. How the Binance P2P works in India to with your local currency. So just we see how to do this. I will explain it. And first, what is Binance P2P? P2P means what? Binance P2P is a peer-to-peer trading peer-to-peer trading market where you can safely trade crypto in exchange for your local currency. So Binance P2P is a escrow service safeguards every transaction, giving trades peace of mind. So how these escrow services work, I will show it. And what is P2P trading? What is P2P trading? P2P trading is a peer-to-peer trading. Peer-to-peer trading is also known as a P2P, customer to customer trading in some regions. So in a P2P trading, users directly deals with either counterparty and exchanging the fiat asset offline and confirming the transaction online. Online transaction, confirming the transaction online. Once the offline fiat asset exchange is confirmed by the both parties, the digital assets is released to the buyer. So here the a P2P platform services serves as the facilitator of the trade by providing a platform for buyers and sellers to broadcast their offers. At the same time, the escrow services of online digital assets ensures the safety and timely delivery of digital assets during the trade execution. So a P2P platform serves as a facilitator of the trader for providing a platform for buyers and sellers to be broadcast their offers. At the same time, the escrow services of online digital assets, safety and timely delivery of digital assets during the trade execution. So trade execution, how does Binance P2P escrow services work? How does ETLA work? How does it works in P2P escrow services? An escrow service is an arrangement in which a trusted third party handles the exchange of goods or assets between the transacting parties, ensuring safety and fair trading. Binance P2P is a peer-to-peer trading market where you can safely trade crypto in exchange for your local currency, and Binance P2P escrow services safeguards every transaction, giving trades peace of mind. Once the buyer places an order, the seller cryptocurrency will automatically be transferred from the seller's wallet to temporary deposit with Binance P2P escrow services. So the cryptocurrencies will be held in the deposit guarantee until the transaction is successfully completed by the both parties. So once the buyer places an order, the seller cryptocurrency will automatically transfer to the seller wallet to temporary wallet of Binance P2P escrow service. So the cryptocurrency will be held in the deposit guarantee until the transaction is successfully completed by both parties. So next, Binance P2P escrow services works. How does the escrow services works? Just see, the buyer is there and make a payment to the seller. Once the buyer make the payment to the seller, the fiat currency and the digital currency, same amount of the digital currency is kept on the escrow services and kept on escrow services. Once the offline transaction, once the seller is confirmed the payment and the escrow services, the digital assets releases to the buyer's wallet. This is the escrow services. It is safely and to the buyer and seller also. So how to buy crypto with P2P? So how to buy crypto with P2P in exchange Binance? So in order to buy crypto with P2P, you must pass KYC. KYC means knowledge your customer, and added a payment method in your account setting. Register and complete KYC. Once you complete the KYC and exchange, your financial transactions will be begin. That is your ID card, like KYC verification, completion of KYC verification, and added a payment method. Click on account, fiat setting, your fiat currency setting and payment method. What are the payment methods you are having? Added a new payment method to activate. So buy crypto. How the buy crypto? Click on trades and select a fiat tab. Select buy tab, put in the quantity you would like to purchase. Click on buy BTC, buy BTC or digital assets, confirming the trade details and select payment method. Select payment method, transfer fiat offline according to that instructions in transaction details. Click on I have paid button. Wait for seller's confirmation. The transaction is completed and crypto is being released to buyer's account. This is very simple. I will show you the practically on last after the this session. Just see it. How to sell crypto with P2P. In order to cash out your cryptocurrency, you will first transfer your crypto from the exchange wallet to fiat wallet. So there is mainly three wallets: fiat wallet and exchange wallet and the trade wallet. So transfer funds. First of all, transfer fund to fiat wallet and click funds. Click fiat. Transfer funds to fiat wallet. Click funds. Click fiat. Select to exchange. From exchange wallet to fiat wallet, put in the amount you would like to transfer. Click transfer. So sell your crypto. After the click on trades and select sell tab, put in the quantity of you would like to sell. Click on sell BTC, confirm trade details, select a payment method and wait for the buyer transfer money offline. Click on release crypto button. After confirming the offline payment, the transaction is completed and crypto is being released to the buyer's account. So how can you do this? I will show it. Are the offers I see on P2P exchange provided by Binance? Yes, the offers you see on the P2P offer listing page are not offered by Binance. Not offered by Binance because the Binance is only serves the as a platform to facilitate the trade, but the offers are provided by users on individual basis. Binance is only serves as a platform to the facilitate through the trade, but the offers are provided by users on an individual basis. So every individual customer there is their own interest places the Binance service. So what is the is P2P available on the web or app on Binance exchange? Yes, users can now buy and sell USDT and BTC, ETH and BNB and BUSD through Binance P2P on Binance.com on web services. And Binance mobile app, you can P2P trading function is available on version 1.170 Android mobile and 2.6860 iOS or higher mobile. So Binance P2P, buy crypto on Binance P2P. Now we support 30 plus currencies on buy to P2P services. So how this I can show it one by one. So how to register on Binance P2P with your referral link. How to buy register on Binance with your referral link. So how to add the Binance. So added Indian rupee payment methods including Paytm, UPI and bank transfer. Buy crypto with Indian rupee on Binance P2P app or web. So sell crypto with Indian rupee in Binance P2P app or web. Post an advertisement against Indian rupee on Binance P2P app or web. So transfer funds from other wallets to P2P wallet. Appeal on order. So one by one I discuss about showing the practically. So once you completed, just I see show the practicals. So how do this? I will open this already with my Binance.com and exchange, and I will also already open this. So just see, here is the services like here you can go to the wallet. Here wallet P2P is there. P2P is there. So once you click this P2P, you can see some of what you like. See in your wallet USDT and digital currencies. So here you see, though there is USDT and BATC USD, so there is no available assets in this. So once to P2P trading, you go to the buy crypto. First of all, buy crypto, go to the pay with and Indian rupee, setting as a Indian rupee, or otherwise your fiat currencies. What are the 30 plus currencies you like seeing that HD, USD and CNY, SKK, Hong Kong, Tom, so many currencies is there. So Indian rupee, suppose I select INR, I already selected INR rupee, Indian rupee, and go to P2P trading. Here the function. So P2P, go to P2P, and here you see I want to buy, I want to sell my ads and become a merchant, guide and post a new ad. So how I want to, suppose I want to buy, suppose I want to buy USDC or BTC, BUSD, BNB, ETH and EOS. So these are the sellers offering the fiat service, digital services. So once you see the payment methods, here the IMPS, only IMPS and UPS, he is completed 64 orders GC and 76 rupees price and 40 pice. So available 804 rupees and limit 10,000 to 61,000. So these sellers. So I want to buy the BTC. Suppose I want buy BTC. Just you click on BTC. Here the offers. What are the sellers offers? Here please here 352 orders, 8 lakhs 23 and 999 0.01 available BTC. 25 limit minimum amount 25,000 to 2500 to 15,000 710 rupees. So Jahid and so many buyer and sellers are offering these rates. So different pages, and second go to second page, and what are the payments. So what are, first of all I want to buy a USDT. So I want to buy a USDT. So what are the amount I want to buy? Just see the fiat segment. What are the I want to buy Indian rupee. Already selected Indian rupee. So what are the payment modes? Here the see payment modes. 30 payment modes. You can it is available. Like IMPS. So many payment modes available. IMPS, bank transfer, UPI, all payment methods, winner. So ban code, so many 30 plus payment methods available. So once you goes to, suppose I want to buy USDT and 100 rupees with a small amount, and payment method is selected as Paytm. Paytm, like no, I will show it. So here the Paytm is there. So first how this, selected Paytm and enter the key. So there is the offers. I will see the Priya is the 398 orders, 100% completion, 79.998 rupees, and 1 for 14 1 1014.34 USDT available. Minimum limit to 200 to 10,000 rupees. So here the seller Harsha Jose 79.999 Indian rupee available, 104 US dollar, 100 rupees to 834. So I want to choose the seller. So this is the zero orders 80 rupees, and Deepa is 99 rupees. So 22 orders. So I want to choose the order between, because I am my currency is 100 rupees. So I choose the select this person Arshiojo 79.99 rupees. So I select this by USDT. Just click on it, and here I amount the enter the amount, available amount. I want to buy 100 rupees. You can see buy now here the button. So terms and conditions, what is the some term condition? I am online note, I don't do payment from the third party account. I will not accept. Third party account means any exchange or that's. Don't write USDT, BTC, Binance in your remarks. Open the trade only if you follow the rules. So only the follow the rules you can apply this seller. So I will showing the how can you can do that, and already I buy the this cryptocurrency. Just I showing the video for that. So yesterday I will already showing this. So here you can see all payment methods and Paytm. So I want to buy this buyer from Arshimoji, Arshio. So yesterday I can already done that this transaction because I don't waste your time. So I just see this already recorded this already. So just see this. So after clicking the buy now option, successfully placed an order. So here the successfully placed an order and go to the other page. So let's see. So here buy USD 100 100 rupees 81 point. Please transfer to the following account payment method. So here UPI, Paytm and Paytm account number is there. So payment made to be in made 13.55 seconds. Once I go to the Paytm app and enter the number and payment amount 100 rupees. So after it 733294. So once the payment after transfer the amount you can 100 rupees. This transfer made to transfer to next. So once you see payment, please confirm the payment. Confirm seller's machine. So order is marked as paid. Paid. So once the paid to be released, 15 minutes on your digital currency. So here the chart option is there. Okay. So this is the process after completion of fiat assets. So I will just so I will show it keep com. Okay, and I will stop it. So I will stop it just now, and here go to the Binance account. Let's see, once I completed, and go to the wallet and go to P2P. Here the P2P is there. So here the P2P, go to the P2P and checking your wallet receiving the amount. USDT digital assets. So here you can't see any assets. First of all, it is showing the incorporated. So just click in showing. So you get is here 1.23113 US dollar USDT. So these are the total assets, estimated value, sum of the because here the buy and sell is the transfer. So once we want to transfer the amount from your P2P wallet to spot wallet. Spot wallet is trading wallet. So your GTT amount, what is the amount you have available amount 1.23. So you want to transfer the amount 1.23 or maximum 1.23 or like this or maximum. I select maximum, confirm transfer. So it is transfer succeed. Your transfer request has been completed. You can view the result, the transfer history page. So back to balance or go to trade. So here go to the trade, you can go to that exchange and back to balance. So I go to back to balance, and you can see here there is that amount is gone. So once you want again you want to transfer, just transfer the amount from spot wallet to P2P. So here reverse the transactions. So here GT2, what is the amount? 1.23 dollars. So max, you select max and confirm transfer. So transfer succeed. Your transfer request has been completed, and you can view the result in the transaction history, transfer history. So next go to the back to balance. So here see again 1.2313 USDT. So next you can go to the buy cryptocurrency and P2P trading. You see, I want to buy, I want to sell, are my ads like this. So you have the crypto digital assets. So once you goes to I want to sell this. So you can also buy again with your currency. I want to sell, or I want to sell the currency. So I want to sell. You can easily sell your cryptocurrency with your CG with the sellers like buyers. So once you are buying at 81 rupees, so you got the minimum 100 rupees. So go to the seller, relevant seller. Suppose I want to sell 100 rupees. Just check it out. What are the sellers? It's the same process. You can sell this currency. So 100 Indian rupee and all payments. And I want to only see Paytm. So there is no seller, no buyer is there. I will 76.15 on 10,000 rupees minimum, and 76 you can sell the USDT here only. So after you can just sell it USDT and enter the amount you want, sell it, and you get it reverse amount. So I will just see that. And I will show the how to post your ad, post a new ad. So just go to the post new ad. Post new ad and go to I want to sell. So I want to sell. So post new ad, I want to sell. Just see this. Just you want to sell how, what are the, I want to USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, ETH, and whatever maybe you want to buy or sell. So here you have the BT USDT. So I want to buy Indian rupee and sell to the USDT. So just I want to buy option is selling the option. So here the your price and highest order price, price type floating, fixed, and floating price margin 100%. So 73% pricing formula is there. Suppose the increase the price for floating the price, you can get a floating price. Suppose you want to sell it and 110%, you can tell it 110% like this. So I want to sell 110%, or you can make a fixed currency, fixed rate. Suppose I want to sell fixed, the price fixed is too low, and I want sell it at 85 rupees suppose. And here the next option is there. So I choose the floating first of all, and here the 110%. Go to the next page. So here you see payment methods, how much total trading amount. It is a minimum $100. You can pay the amount, total trading amount. And what are the order limit? Order limit 100 rupees to 1 lakh, 10,000 or 1 lakh, like 10,000 Indian rupee. And added a payment methods. Here the payment methods, UPI is there, Paytm, any three payment methods. So I select UPI and another payment method. Paytm is there and added a payment method, bank transfer or IMPS. So added payment method. So up to three payment methods, I will choose it. And next payment time is there, you can choose 30 minutes, 45, 1 hour, 2 days, and 2 hours, 3 hours, like this, 6 hours, up to 6 hours. So once this completed and goes to next. So here the write some of your remarks. What are the remarks? Don't use crypto, don't write any BTC or crypto words. Auto reply, thank you. And here you can see that completed KYC or registered KYC, completed KYC, registered 0 days, or like this. So your options is there. Conditions, what are the counterparty conditions? Holding more than many BTs. So here the posting the ad, I just showing it. After it, USDT by Indian rupee 110% floating price 81, floating 81 Indian rupees. So confirming the post, these are the main thing. After you confirming the post, it is posting the new ad. So I just click it, cancel the ad, and I goes to, these are the posting the ads. So here how to referral the your referrals, just see, go to the referrals, go to the this symbol, just go to the wallets, otherwise the computer is lacking. So once you go to Binance, otherwise you go to this one. System is slow, and the system. So exit pages. uh, so here the Binance again, once again, Binance.com. Sorry, Binance, spelling out the wrong spelling. Binance.com. see once again you can log in this. Send certification code. Five three five 966. 535 966 966. So submit. So here go to the here your referral center. So here referral, how to referral, earning bonus. So you go to the referral center, invite your friends and earn crypto. Just see, invite your friends and earn crypto together. So earn up to 40% commission every time with your make your payment. So invite now. These are the generate your link. So you receive 20%, friends receive 0%. So invite now is the here the default link. So you can generate your own link, your commission percentage, like 10%, 15. You receive 10% and friends receive 10% and 20%, 15% like this. Here see, balance less than 500 BNB cannot apply for commission kickback of corresponding ratio. So up to 10% you can referral your friends. So invite crypto together. So my referral links here. You see this, and what is the set default? Here the 20% and 10%, 10% and 15%. So I invite 10%, 10% mostly, and just see this. You can invite, copy these links, copy link and paste it your social medias. So like this, you can invite here also. Invite like this. Invite, join Binance and crypto together. Refer ID. So like this, can you can paste on social medias, and Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter like this. And you can also um, digital wallets. So put together. So these are the referrals. So you earn the 40% commissions, and up to 40% commission. Your friend may can trade on Binance. So these are the referrals. You can do this. And after what are the appeal? Appeal is what is appeal? So I see this with the liquidity, Binance Visa code, wallet, and appeal. So P2P is there. Go to the P2P wallet. Go to buy P2P trading. this, just buy USD like this. I will show it. Just after you enter, these are the some of these terms and conditions. So more. So this is the main conditions. So if you did not receive the any your cryptocurrency, you can appeal the application for the crypto buyers, this Binance Exchange team. So you can request support team. These are the condition. Thank you. So I will stop it right now.